Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. Here I'm just putting some random items all over my workspace to make it seem like I have some sort of aesthetic. I've watched so many bullet journal videos and they all have perfect calligraphy and beautiful artwork, but that's not me. So welcome to my shitty bullet journal. Here is a montage of random shit I have in my workspace. And this is my journal. Here it is again. And here's the pen that I use. Beautiful. I'm ND and I can't draw or edit. This is my first time making a bullet journal, and I knew it was going to be scribbly and I didn't know how often I would use it, so I decided to use this small journal. I got it for free when I bought some Darren Criss merch, so I don't mind making a mess of it. This is the first page. Some people put a quote here. I haven't really thought of one, but if I think of one, maybe I'll put it there. This is another blank page. I don't know what to put here. Maybe I'll think of something. Next is the key. I made this because everyone seems to make it, so let's take a look at it. I have task right here. Task complete next. And then I have these two things, which I'm not sure what they do, but they're arrows pointing forward and backward. Then I have canceled and event. And then I have important. Really? Do we need all of these? If there's a check mark in the task box, of course it's complete. And if it's crossed out, of course it's canceled. That's just my opinion, but I wrote it down anyway to see how it works out. This is my index. I decided to put the year at the top of the page. Some people use a whole page just for the year, but that seemed like a waste of a page. And as you can see, I just put the page number of where things are underneath it. Next is my future log. I know some people write out the whole year, every single month, really small, but to me that seems useless. You can't write anything in there. So here I just wrote down each day of the month, but I have room for appointments and holidays and birthdays and things like that. Also, as you can see at the top, I made a mistake already, so I just crossed it out and wrote above it. And even though it's not perfect and beautiful, I am still personalizing it. I wrote the names of the months in Norwegian because I'm learning Norwegian, and so I thought that would be some cool shit to put on there. Next, I have my yearly goals, and to be honest, I was pretty proud of my penmanship here. And I also have places I want to travel, and I just put a post-it note on there because it's private, and I don't know how to put in a blurry thing. Okay, this is my period tracker. I'm definitely taking advantage the most of trackers in the whole bullet journal. So this one I think will be very helpful because I can be pretty irregular sometimes. So I just want to track what's going on. Also, I decided to make a little symbol for if I take my doll or not. Thought that would be helpful. Here's another thing that I see on a lot of videos. Be grateful. Just decided to stick it there, see how it goes. I also did this Christmas gift idea because I always wait too long to figure out what to get people. Usually end up with gift cards. And then I have this good food page. I clearly haven't written anything yet, but I plan to write things that are healthy for me and give me energy and things like that. I also made a stock tracker page. I have some stocks, but I haven't figured out how to track them yet, so right now it's blank. Maybe that'll be another video. Let me know if you want to see that. So I have another blank page there, just in case I want to add something, I don't know. And I have Januar here, which is January in Norwegian, and my monthly goals. So we'll see if that gets done. The habit tracker. This has been most helpful for me so far. I always forget to take my vitamins, so when I see it here, it reminds me, and now I'm more healthy. Also, I have floss on here because a lot of people have floss, so I just put it there. And I also have on the side here if I take a sleeping pill or my allergy pill, because since I've turned almost 30, I've been taking a lot more medicine and I just wanted to keep track of that. And then on this side I have a mood tracker, and I always see with other videos, people just have one mood for the full day, but my mood changes a lot through the day, so I just wanted to put morning, noon, and night so I can keep track of what it is throughout the day. And then here I have an energy tracker. It's similar to the mood tracker, it's throughout the day. And I just put a little check mark if I drink caffeine or not. That's also why I have the good food page, so I can put food on there that give me energy because I have a problem with my energy levels. And then here I have food log, so I can see what I eat in the day and whether or not it gave me energy or not. We'll see how that works out. Here I have a pillowcase tracker. Like I said, I like the trackers, and I just want to know when I change my pillowcase because it's good for your skin. Next I have the day summary. This works better for me than a weekly planner because I don't do much, I just go to work and come home. So I just write down bullet points of what I do each day, and it kind of acts like a diary slash if I'm ever in the middle of a murder investigation and I need to account for my whereabouts, I'll have this here. So that's all I have for now. Maybe I'll change it up next month or reorganize it a little bit. Let me know if you have any ideas of spreads you want me to make. I was thinking of maybe adding a savings spread next month. We'll see. And then there's also a fitness spread that people like to do. I am lazy AF and don't work out, so that would be useless for me, but I can draw one if you want me to. Maybe somebody has gotten some inspiration out of this video. You know, you don't have to be wonderful at artwork or calligraphy to be able to keep a bullet journal. I've actually really liked it, and I think a lot of people can get use out of it, so give it a try even if you're a mess like me.